Hello everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in today with a little bit of a haul video because I've recently taken advantage of some of the sales going on at White Rose Crafts. They've got a 10% off on their June subscription kit add-on. So this is stuff that, in addition to the June subscription kit, things that would coordinate and go very well with the kit to enhance your kit using experience. And some of it's just simple, basic, everyday stuff that's on sale, and I kind of wanted to bring to your attention all the things that are on sale. I have a fun envelope full of stuff, but first I wanted to show a few of the things I have on hand here in my studio that I already own, but that are on the subscription kit. If you're in need of some sequins, there is a bunch of the Sparkle Blend sequins. One is the Ocean View. So it's got little fun, I'd open it, but we've all seen what happens when I open sequins. I get them everywhere. So it's lovely little oceans. There's cute little dolphins. It's a great little blend and mix of ocean-themed sparkles. The Green with Envy is in the June subscription kit add-ons. So all kinds of gorgeous spring-like green shaker bits. And then Flaming, and this one I've used quite a bit, so I'm kind of running out. But this is the Flaming Sunset, and you can see just this beautiful collection of colors. So these are three I have on hand, in addition to the one that already comes in the kit. Other things I have on hand is if you are in the market for some new Nuvo drops, there's a bunch of Nuvo drops that are in the discounted June add-ons. The one I have here in the house is this one, this gorgeous pinky color. And this is, I can do this, Strawberry Coolest, yes. And it's the Jewel Drops. A bunch of the Distressed Oxides are on sale, not all, but a bunch of them that coordinate with this bold, bright color. So these are the ones that I have on hand that are on sale. So you've got some Warm Lipstick, Wilted Violet, Twisted Citron, Spiced Marmalade, Shaded Lilac. You'd think there would be a logic to this. There isn't. Salty Ocean, Picked Raspberry, Cracked Pistachio, Broken China, and Peacock Feathers. Like I said, not the whole collection, and this is only what I have on hand. Not every Distressed Oxide, but these bright, bold colors, they all are at a discounted rate to, I believe, it goes on through the end of June. So totally take advantage if you are in the need of some more Distressed Oxide. They're on, these collection of colors are on sale as an add-on to the June subscription kit. Now to what I ordered for me. So here's my little thingy. Since we just finished talking Distressed Oxides, I took advantage and filled in the gap of two of the colors I'm missing. I am missing the Abandoned Coral and the Squeeze Lemonade, and I got them at the discounted rate because they are on sale, and we all like a good sale. And same way with the Nuvo drops. I'm pointing at something I pushed up. I got, let's see if I can do it. Nope. Scissors. Always keep scissors on hand. I got, yes, once again, I haven't done any prep work. Let's see. Yep, here's a dirty card. This one is the Glitter Drop Sherbet Shimmer. And I just really thought that this could enhance that June kit, the sparkly. Anyway, so that's, I added on. In addition to your like basics, like your Sparkle Blends and your Nuvo Drops and your Distressed Oxides, there are all kinds of papers, stickers, three-dimensional stickers, that kind of stamps. There's some stamp sets that are in so that's what the rest of this box is some of those other add-ons. So let's take a look what's in there. So there we go. Okay, so I've got a couple things. We'll start with the stickers. That a lot of the papers revolve around gorgeous like frozen treats. So I went ahead and picked up this three-dimensional sticker set. You can see, oh, maybe you can't see, but they're all three-dimensional. They're glittery, they're gorgeous. Again, in that add-on section that's discounted. So, aren't those fun? And then the other sticker set I got is this one. That's kind of like that ocean beach sitting at theme. And I haven't played with stickers like this in forever, so I'm really, really excited just to play with these again. And then I got two stamp sets to enhance the kit. I got this one from Do Crafts, which is a flamingo. So, super cute. And the second one is from Woodware. And it's flip-flops with little beach stuff. And I really, like, I couldn't help myself. Because sometimes I just can't help myself. Like, flip-flops. Yeah. So, this is all just stuff from the June subscription kit add-ons. They're at a discounted price through the end of the month. Take advantage of it. Take a look at the subscription kit. Order early because it will sell out. And when it sells out, there is no more. And I'll be playing with some of these toys and the subscription kit in future videos, so stay tuned. Bye!